Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken macaroni and cheese in a Copper Chef XL. Okay guys, I'm starting out on my Copper Chef XL. I preheated, and I want to say you can use any kind of pan you like for this as long as it's non-stick. You don't have to use a Copper Chef. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in there, probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now I have 1 pound of chicken breasts I cut up into small cubes and a quarter of an onion I diced up fine. We're going to get them in here, we're going to brown them for 5 or 6 minutes, or fry them for 5 or 6 minutes so the chicken's no longer pink and the onions start to turn translucent. Okay, now that my chicken is gone for a little bit, it's no longer pink. Now it's not cooked through, but it's no longer pink and my onions are starting to soften up and turn translucent. I turned off my heat and I have a, let's see here, 7.5 ounce container of Philadelphia garlic and herb cheese spread. We're just going to get this in the pan with the chicken and the onions, and we're just going to melt this down while the heat is off. And Dexter's in there squawking away, guys. Okay guys, now that my cheese is melted, I turn my heat on to medium. Now in this bowl here I have 1 2/3 cups of milk and a tablespoon of flour mixed together. I'm going to slowly add this into the chicken and the cheese. Slowly stir this in. And then what I'm going to do is after I get all my milk in here, I'm going to bring this up to a simmer and let it simmer for a few minutes to start to thicken up. Okay, now that my cream cheese and milk and chicken mixture is starting to thicken up, I'm going to turn my heat down to low, medium low, and I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese, and I'm going to go for about 3/4 of a cup. And if you guys know me, if I go over a little bit, well, that's no big deal for me. I'm just going to slowly stir this in so we don't have one big clump. I just want to gradually add it in there, guys. And guys, it's going to be creamy, cheesy, and luscious. Dexter, can you say luscious? Say no, you don't know that word. Can you say Paulie wants a cracker? They never do what you want them to do when you want them to do it. Dexter, Paulie wants a cracker? I'm just going to finish this bag off in here, guys. It's probably close to a cup, but that's fine. Okay, now I have 6 ounces of elbow macaroni here. I cooked to the directions on the package, but I didn't add salt. You don't want to add salt because the cheeses have enough salt in them. You don't want this too salty. I'm going to stir this in with the cheese and the chicken, and I'm going to allow this just to sit here on medium-low for a few minutes, just for the elbow macaroni to incorporate in with the cheese. Alright guys, after this got to sit for a few minutes and the macaroni got acquainted with everything else, I'm going to turn my heat off. Now I'm going to add in about 2 cups of baby spinach. And I'm going by not packed spinach, but fluff spinach because I don't want it over spinachy. I like spinach but not that much. So I'm just going to stir in my spinach and allow that to wilt down. And I'll add a little more spinach in there, guys. I'm going to allow this to sit on the heat with the heat off for a few minutes for that spinach to start to wilt down a bit. Okay guys, now that I allowed my spinach to sit in there for a few minutes and start to wilt down, I'm going to finish this up by topping it with a cup of cherry tomatoes that I cut into quarters. You just want to sprinkle them all down in there. And I'm going to stir this to incorporate them in there. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. You can see it's nice and colorful. It's really creamy and delicious. You taste that herb cream cheese, the cheddar cheese. Tomato gives a nice pop of freshness. Try some of this chicken. Chicken's nice and tender. Okay, there you have it. Chicken macaroni and cheese in a Copper Chef XL. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.